What's up, guys? It's your boy Icy Mike back in the cut. And we talk about Conquer 2024 episode 4. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the best ways to make money in 2024. And let me put you on before y'all scroll out the video, go to your little ads, go click on what you're gonna click on, go watch what you're gonna watch. Let me speak y'all some facts and something that can really help you a lot. I'm gonna be teaching y'all 3 tips or 3 different ways that you could be making all your bag in 2024. And if these don't work, then I don't know what's going to work for you. These are the easiest ways, like the laziest people. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, starting with the first tip I got for y'all tonight is something that's pretty simple. We all have this app. It's all accessible. And if y'all heard the rumor or not, I almost got banned this shit. Let me tell y'all something. Don't believe everything you hear on the internet. But one way that you could be making your bag in 2024 is through TikTok affiliate marketing. And let me show you how that works, y'all. So you feel me? You take a little handy dandy phone, open TikTok, make a little video, whatever. Post the video and make sure in the video that you're promoting a product that's off the TikTok shop. And basically every time someone views your video and buys that product using that video, you basically get a percentile of how much the company made off that product, I believe so. Yeah, I believe the requirements is like 10K or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, I'm not experienced in it, but I'm just telling y'all that's one major way. I have friends who do this and they make a bag off of it. But yeah, TikTok affiliate marketing is real. Go ahead and tap in. Decent little source of income. It's not no 6 figures, but if you can make it 6 figures, go ahead and make it 6 figures, man. Whatever works for you. But yeah, first tip, TikTok affiliate marketing. Now, on to the next one. We got something that I'm doing right now, you feel me? Something that's so simple. All you need is not even a laptop. You really only need your phone, a camera, something, or a device you can record off of, and that's starting a YouTube channel. And let me tell you guys this. If you started a channel and it's not growing, ask yourself, was I consistent? If you can go a whole year posting every single day, I promise y'all, y'all gonna be straight. But yeah, that's way number 2 that you can do. You don't even have to put your face in it. You can do it through automation. You can do it with your face. Whatever suits you is a path that's very flexible and based on how you perform and operate. But yeah, that's another major way you can make your bag. So, you know, pick up your little camera, little iPhone, record yourself a little video, tell people about yourself or not. Show them a little black screen, whatever it takes for you to make your bag, go ahead and get your bag. Yeah, that's tip number 2. We're going to keep this short and sweet. This is going to be a quick little video. On to the third one. We got something that I'm into now, and that's drop shipping. Let me tell y'all how this works. Step 1, find a winning product. You can do that through TikTok. Scroll through TikTok, find something that's trending, say kitchen tools, or maybe like keychains, them little monkey bags that were trending for a little minute, something that is trending. After that, call it your winning product. Then you find a supplier, someone who's gonna give it to you for cheap and in bulk, so that you can sell it for like a higher price, so you can get a good margin. I think that's what the word is. Yeah, margin. Good margin. If it's not, I'm gonna fix it in the video, but I believe it's margin though. And then after that, you create a website, and that's so you can direct traffic to your product, so that people be like, ooh, like once they see it, they're like, oh, I want this. Where can I get it from? My site. You feel me? And then this leads into the 4th step: market your site. Marketing is the best. It's like the seller of dropshipping. So you want to make sure that you're marketing to your audience the correct way. Make sure it's always hitting your target audience, you feel me? So you want to do little things like TikToks, or you want to do Google ads, or Facebook Meta ads, or Instagram, or whatever it takes to market your product when you're drop shipping, do it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, honestly. I mean, there's a whole bunch of other stuff that ties into it, but for like the major parts, that's it. Winning product, supplier, site, and market. Market like your life depends on it. But yeah, that's 3 ways you can be making your bag in 2024. If you want a part 2 to this, let me know. I was gonna keep this video short and sweet because I was once y'all. I'm still y'all. I don't like scrolling through YouTube and looking for a whole bunch of videos and they just talking 10 minutes of nonsense. I get they want their bag, but y'all come to me, I give y'all straight to the fast stuff. But I appreciate y'all for tuning in, y'all. Icy Gang, you feel me? Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, share, voice, and support. Check out our other videos up there. Follow me on my Instagram over here. And yeah, enjoy. What's today? Enjoy the rest of y'all March, man. We'll see if I drop this month. But yeah, I'll catch y'all.